Most people believe that to command respect, you must be loud, assertive, and visible. They think that explaining your actions, defending your choices, and constantly asserting your presence makes you strong. But in the realm of true power dynamics, the exact opposite is true. Niccolo Machiavelli observed that the most dangerous leaders were never the loudest in the room. They were the ones whose thoughts could not be predicted, whose reactions could not be provoked, and whose silence was heavier than any speech. Look at your own reality right now. When you argue, when you explain yourself, when you react emotionally to every slight, you hand over the remote control of your mind to someone else. You become predictable. And once you are predictable, you are easy to manage. Deep down, human psychology reacts to restraint with intrigue, and to emotional outbursts with fatigue. When you react to every provocation, you prove to others that your internal state depends on their behavior. You make yourself accessible, cheap, and easily manipulated. But when you master the art of the cold strategist, when you hold your tongue, control your facial expressions, and respond with calm, calculated detachment, the entire power balance in the room shifts in your favor. In this video, you will learn the psychological laws of cold strategy, how Machiavelli taught rulers to master silence, and how to become emotionally untouchable without saying a single angry word. Before we begin, drop this affirmation in the comments below. I master my quiet power. The moment you begin justifying your decisions to people who did not earn an explanation, you lower your status. A sovereign ruler does not issue apologies for having standards. Weakness explains itself because it craves approval. Strength simply acts and allows the results to speak. When you tell someone why you made a choice, why you were absent, or why you set a boundary, you are subconsciously asking for their permission. You are telling them that their judgment matters more than your intent. Instead, practice the power of short, definitive statements. When you say less, people are forced to fill the silence with their own thoughts. They begin to wonder, to analyze, and to adjust to your rhythm. Silence creates psychological weight, and weight creates authority. If people can predict how you will act in every scenario, they stop thinking about you. Predictability breeds psychological comfort, and comfort destroys curiosity. Machiavelli warned in The Prince that a ruler who is entirely transparent becomes easy to decipher and eventually easy to replace. When you break your habit patterns, when you stay calm when someone expects you to rage, when you remain silent when they expect an argument, when you delay your response instead of reacting instantly, you introduce an element of mystery. The human brain cannot ignore an unresolved mystery. By breaking your predictability, you force others to invest mental energy into trying to figure you out. And the more mental energy someone spends thinking about you, the more valuable you become in their mind. Physical distance is meaningless if you remain emotionally available on demand. If someone knows they can text you at any hour, demand your reassurance whenever they feel insecure, or draw an emotional reaction out of you whenever they please, they will never respect your presence. Real value comes from scarcity. When your emotional validation is rare, selective, and earned, it carries immense weight. Stop offering instant emotional support to those who treat you casually. Protect your mental energy as if it were a high-value currency. When people realize that access to your emotional world is limited and governed by boundaries, they start treating your time and attention with respect. Most people perform their exits. They threaten to leave, unfriend, announce their space, or make dramatic speeches to get a reaction. But an announced exit is not a boundary. It is a desperate plea for attention. Machiavelli taught that true power moves in silence. When you step back without making a scene, without arguing, and without explaining yourself, your absence becomes heavy. Silence forces reflection. When there is no argument to react to, the other person is left alone with their own thoughts and conscience. They begin to question whether they pushed you too far, whether they lost your respect, and whether your absence is permanent. Powerful absence creates far more impact than noisy presence ever could. All tactics fail if you are secretly waiting for a reaction. If you hold your tongue but stare at your phone waiting for a message, you are still controlled. True cold strategy is not a game you play on others. It is a standard you hold for yourself. It is the realization that your self-worth, your peace, and your direction are entirely independent of how others treat you. When you truly detach, you no longer need to prove your point, win the argument, or force someone to see your worth. You simply observe, make your decisions quietly, and move forward with purpose. Detachment removes desperation, and where there is no desperation, there is absolute control. Stop begging for respect through loud words and constant presence. Master your quiet power. Become selective with your access, and let your silence do the heavy lifting. If this message resonated with you, like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to Cold Domination for more deep psychology strategy. Remember, those who control their silence control the room.